Want to clear your Facebook activity history but don't know how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to clear Facebook activity history. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down, then tap on Activity Log. Tap on Activity History above Story Activity. Here you can see all of the activity till date. If you want to delete specific activity, then simply tap on the three dots of that activity. Then tap on Delete. Then tap on Delete again. But if you want to delete all of your history, go back. Then go to Account Center. Scroll all the way down and go to Information and Permissions. Then tap on your activity history of Meta Technologies. Then tap on Clear Previous Activity. Now tap on Clear. If your Instagram and Facebook are connected, then both of the history will be deleted. If you don't want your Instagram history to be deleted, then make sure to check out our video on how to unsync Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.